Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke, and we are here at the 2024 Barrett-Jackson Palm Beach auction. I want to show you guys this 1972 Plymouth Duster. It's unrestored, all original, but before I tell you more, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive foreign cars.
The Duster holds a special place in automotive history as one of the most beloved compact cars of its era. It was originally introduced in 1970 as a sporty variant of the Valiant, and the Duster quickly gained popularity among enthusiasts for its combination of performance, style, and of course, affordability. We see it here today optioned in its original Tor-Red paint, and that was part of Plymouth's High-Impact paint palette, and it really is very eye-catching. Seeing it in person, absolutely gorgeous. My favorite color that is offered. Now let's move down the line just a little bit, and I want you guys to look at the font here that says Duster. We have another badging that is the same font here, and it perfectly encapsulates, just the time when it was released. Super, super fun. And our wheels down here, these are the Rallye wheels. And as we look closer to the doors over here, we do have a factory optioned dual painted racing side mirrors, as well as factory optioned G11 tinted glass all around. All right, so looking up under the hood here, there she blows. That's our 340 4-barrel, and this thing is paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got 323 gears, it's got sure grip, and it's only got 20,000 original miles. Really, really cool. Opening her up, we're greeted with a black vinyl interior, black vinyl bench style seating. Believe it or not, you do have seats in the back for your rear passengers, albeit with not a lot of room back there, but it is possible to fit your friends back there. And I want you to look at just how clean it is. And it is optioned with your AM and FM radio. All right guys, like I said, original 20,000 miles on the odometer. It was showcased in Mopar Action magazine in an article called Against All Odds. So the printed article, along with the original owner's manual, window sticker, broadcast sheet, and a set of keys are included with this sale. All right guys, that was just a short glimpse of what this vehicle has to offer, and we're excited to see what it will go for here at the 2024 Barrett-Jackson Palm Beach auction.